I've created some sample markup on our web page, and in the middle of our article we have a block quote. You can see that represented in our browser over here along the left hand side. Currently this looks like the rest of the text on the web page, so what we want to do is style this a bit differently so that it stands out. So what we're going to do is head over into our styles, and we're going to target all of the direct children of our article except for our block quote, and we're going to add a width of 80%. We're going to use margin right auto and margin left auto to center that. So now our block quote stands out a little bit more compared to the rest of the text on the page. Next, what we're going to do is start by targeting our block quote, and we're going to target the paragraph text within it. We want to increase the size a bit, so we'll do 1.2 ems. And then next what we'll want to do is separate our site element. So we're going to do a display block, and we're going to do a margin top of 1em. Next what we want to do is actually make this a serif font. So what we're going to do is go font, family, then I have a variable set up, and that's font serif. We'll also want that to be a font weight of 700. So this is already starting to stand out a little bit more. The last thing that we want to do is add a gradient to our text. We can do that by adding a background image linear gradient. And we're going to do to bottom right. We're going to go from red to blue. So we can see this is showing up in the background now. Next what we want to do is do a background clip of text. So that's going to remove it. And then the last thing that we need to do is target WebKit, text, fill, color, and make that transparent. So now our block quote text stands out a bit more. We extended it past the rest of the content, and we added this gradient to our text.